So, two ways to do it. Try to do the two. Yeah, I'll try and show you both of them. So, first thing you do is take your network drawing. Find your network's order, or your networks and the size of the networks. Then put them in order by size. So, your A network is 100 machines. A, I need 100. Next network is B network. 28 machines. C network, 25 machines. B network, 14 machines. And then our bands E, F, G, H, 9. 2 machines, each of those. Okay, take the number of machines. Find the first one after that number, that is 2 to the power of something. So 100 becomes 128 equals 2 to the power of 7. B becomes 32, 2 to the power of 5. 32, 2 to the power of 5. B network, 14 becomes 16, 2 to the power of 4. And your bands becomes 4, 2 to the power of 2. So, now you have your networks in order. You have how many host bits you need. So, starting from the first. Okay. There is one subnet bit, and this one, the value of that subnet will be the first available number, 0. So it's a 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 is your host address, the network address of that network, equals 0. So A network starts on 0. Ends on subnet bit has to be the same. All your host bits are 1s. That is your broadcast address of that network, 127. So A network goes from 0 to 127. A network is done. Next network is your D network. 32 machines. 32 machines means 5 host bits. 5 host bits means 3 subnet bits. First subnet bit must be a 1 because next available address is 128. 128 is 1, 0, 0. A network we found to end on 127. Next network starts on 128. Take that bit pattern. We found B network needs 32 addresses. That gives us 2 to the power of 5, which means 5 host bits, which means 3 subnet bits. 128 now is 3 subnet bits, 100, 5 host bits, 5 zeros. That is the starting address of B network. 128. Ending address is the broadcast address. Same subnet bits, but all host bits are 1s. Ending address is 128 plus 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 31 plus 34. 131 plus 128 gives 159, right?
Yep.
That is ending address of D network. That gives us starting address of next network is 160. Take 160. Binary is 1, 0, 1,
0, 0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Oh, 5 host bits again. So 5 of those are host bits, 3 of them are subnet bits. Starting address 160. Ending address, same subnet bits. Ending address 191. Next network starts on 192. Next network is B network.
4 host bits.
So 192 is the starting address. We need 4 host bits. So 192 is 1100 and 4 host bits on 0. Ending address is 1100 1111. So 192 plus 15. What gives us 8 plus 7 is 15.
Yep.
Ending address of the B network. Broadcast address of the B network. So that was A, B, C, and B networks. All our WAN networks are actually a lot easier. So, first WAN address would be 208. That's this one, 208 network address. It's a WAN address, 2 host bits, 4 addresses. So network address is 208. First usable is 209. Last usable is 210. Broadcast is 211. Gives us 212 for F, 1314 to 215 in broadcast. Gives us 216 to 17, 18 to 19. Gives us 220 to 21, 22, 23. Gives us 224 to 27. That's all of it subnet. Okay, that's how to do it binary. Using your VLSM chart. How to do it. Same again. Find your networks. Put them in order by size. Say, okay, first networks need 128 machines, 28 addresses, 126 hosts. 126 hosts means it needs to be in this column. It's the first network, so it gets the first address, it gets address 0. Okay, address 0 means everything from 0 to 128 is used. 128 is the address of the next network. Next network is the D network. 28 hosts need 32 addresses, 30 hosts. 30 hosts means go to third column. Oh, remember, the first 127 addresses was you. So go down to 128. Here. This network is your next network. B network address 128 to 159. Hold on, assuming it is a class C, because doing it according to the chart on the class A would be hard work. You would need 65,000 of jobs. Okay, next network is C network. Same size, same column, that means your C network is here. Address 160 goes to 191. The B network is next network, 16 machines. 16 machines is next column. Your B network is here. That is your B network. That was the last network except for the vans, so the vans are here. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth van. Sorry. Can't do my try to remember when we're talking bandwidth, actually it's the best idea to start from bottom. So, those 5 networks down here would actually be your WAN networks. The point of this is your B network ended on 192, so it ends here. We take the 5 bottom networks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means actually we have a 16 machine size network available and a 8 machines network, or 8 addresses network available for extension. Whereas once we started using those 5, both those are used. So it is typically more optimal to start from bottom when you're creating your WAN network.